Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube video. Today I'm going to show you how to amplify your voice on Windows 10. I think this works on Windows 8 and Windows 7 as well, and iMac and Mac. So what you want to do first is download NCH Suite. This app has many apps inside there, but if you just want to amplify your voice with one app, you can download VideoPad Video Editor. The links will be in the description. So I already have the app open. I'm going to go on it and I'm going to record myself without the amplifier, then you can listen. Then I'm going to record myself, add the amplify, then you can listen to the difference. So I'm going to press record audio, and press record. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube video. Press close. Let's listen to it. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube video. I can barely even hear it. So to change this, you want to go to audio effects, amplify, and then put the gain to 400. Press X. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube video. There's a significant difference in the voice. And one more thing, I'm not just talking I'm not talking low. It's actually the actual microphone of the laptop which is making my voice go low. So you can see the significant difference. Link in the description. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like. This is my second video in the channel, so please give some video idea tips and 10 more to improve on. Thank you for watching.